Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is just a really quick video showing you this redesign that I did. So as you can see, I've already filed off the previous design, applied another clear base, and now I'm just coming in with this silver holographic glitter. So it's a pre-mix glitter from Glitterbels. It's an admin, an ambassador one. It's Jennifer. And then I'm just going to ombre that with this beautiful purple premix glitter, which is Lilac Delight. So I'm just going to do this on 2 fingers, and then on the other 2 I'm just going to do a purple ombre. So as you can see there on my client's nail, it's bruised slightly. She did knock her nail a few weeks ago and banged it, but it wasn't sore or anything, so we applied a new nail. So I've applied that purple. I'm just going to let that set a little bit, and then I'm going to come in and do the glitter on this one. So the brush that I'm using is the Glitterbels size 12 brush, and again just coming in with Jennifer and blending that back. That purple acrylic that I applied on the ring finger is Unicorn Tears. So just coming back onto this nail now and ombreing that with Pink Opal Shimmer. Although you can't see the shimmer at all through the camera. So now again, just coming in with Lilac Delight and blending that over the silver. So this nail again is exactly the same as the ring finger. I'm not sure why, but this Pink Opal Shimmer just doesn't look as pink through the camera as it actually does in real life. I'm not sure why, but it is a lot more pinker than what the camera is actually showing. So I went and did the thumb, as that was just a full glitter nail as well. So now I'm just coming back and I'm just capping in glass slippers. So I'm only showing you cap 2 nails today. So now filing, I don't normally leave my filing in, but I thought for this video that I would, as someone did ask for that. So what I do is I file both side walls first, making sure they're nice and crisp. Come in and file the end, and then just go over the entire nail. Just making sure not to file away your apex. Make sure your cuticle area is nice and flush. And that's it. So I use a 100 grit file. So these files again are from Glitterbels. So I'll leave the link and everything in the description box, and my discount code as well. I'm not actually going this fast over the nails. I have sped this part up. So I do this on all 10 nails, dust off, and then come back and top coat. So this is the no wipe top coat. Apply this to all 10 nails and then I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So that's it for this video, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!